Ground fault circuit interrupter protection. Ground fault circuit interrupters have been around since the early 1960s. Charles DeZiel is the inventor of the ground fault circuit interrupter, and we have been using those in our trade ever since. I believe the first ones actually made it in the trade maybe around 1968, and we have advanced continually throughout the years to expand the usage of ground fault protection. Ground fault protection is actually widely known as being highly effective. The typical Class A GFI protected device will provide between 4 to 6 milliamps. When there is a reading in this device that is in excess of that, it's going to turn that off. Now, today, there are some other advanced technologies that are coming into the ground fault circuit interrupter arena. There is now what's called special purpose GFCI protection. Special purpose GFCI protection will sense between 15 and 20 milliamps, and that is the trip point for it. That is because the new type of GFCI protection was required because the Class A GFCI devices will only operate on voltages up to 240 volts. Any circuits that are above and beyond that, up to 480 volts, didn't know how to have a way to have Class A or GFI protection for personnel. So now there are some products out now that are designed to do that. And those are being used on higher level swimming pools, like in a commercial type environment, or higher level industrial type scenarios where you have equipment that is being used that is in wet locations that should require GFI protection, and they are used in those areas in order to provide that. One of the things that an SPGFCI does is it provides the protection by tripping at 20 milliamps, but it also has a connection point for the grounding conductor to where if for some reason the grounding conductor was severed or was lost, that unit will automatically turn itself off. Now, at the highest level, there is GFPE, or ground fault protection equipment, which is not for personnel. This is not protecting humans. GFPE is designed to protect equipment, and that can be at as much as 30 milliamps all the way up to 100 milliamps. That type of protection, well, let's say at 30 milliamps, your heart, in the event that you were in contact with it, is gone into fibrillation. So your heart's doing this, and you're trying to get it to stop when they put the pads on you. So GFPE protection is designed to protect equipment, and that is used around marinas and boat yards, and maybe high-level industrial equipment and that sort of thing. So just some fun facts about GFCI protection for you today. My name's Mike, and I'm with Electric Lab. Thanks for watching.